He's all tired out from the short ride. It's a big dog. Yeah? Oh, tuckered out. Hey. It's a giant ham. It's a good boy.